These Roman-style macaroni are described in the Libro de Arte Coquinaria from the mid-15th century by Maestro Martino de Como, who gained the title Prince of Cooks. The resulting pasta is big for modern standards, but Maestro Martino says that the dough should be rolled out a little thicker than you would do for lasagne, and that the macaroni should have the size of your little finger. They are served with lots of butter, cheese, and sweet spices, which could mean black pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, and/or ginger.